Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we would have to first factorize an algebraic expression, and because of this word hence, we do have to make use of the result in part A to solve. So for part A, it is important. Now I'm going to factorize x squared minus x minus 20. So I'm going to make use of the cross method. There are other ways to solve it. X squared will be x times x. Here is negative 20 and here is negative x. And for 20 will be 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. And out of this pair of factors, I need to have one that would allow me to get my x, negative x. I will choose this because I know that if I want a negative x, my 5 must be the negative. So that I will have negative 5x. This will be 4x. And when I plus them together, I get my negative x. And so, for part A, the answer would then be x squared minus x minus 20 will be equals to x plus 4, x minus 5. That's where the answer is. Okay. Now that we have part A, let's move on to part B. Hence, we are going to solve this particular quadratic equation. And notice that this and this is exactly the same. That means when I make use of the result from part A in its factorized form, one of the bracket must be equals to, you are right, 0. Because the bracket times the bracket equals to 0. You see, one of the factors, which is the bracket, must be equal to 0. So I will have either x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0, and I will have my two answers. X is negative 4 or x is equals to 5. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.